Now we have two types of flows, again two types of flows. One flow is process flow, one flow is screen flow. Let me write it down, two types of flows. First thing is process flow, second thing is screen flow. Okay, I'll tell you what is the basic difference between process flow and screen flow. In process flow, you can only move forward. Once you have submitted one particular screen, you cannot go back to that particular screen. Okay, case will only move forward. In case of screen flow, you can move forward and backward. Okay, now let me show you. Here we are seeing what we are seeing. The screen is a screen flow. This is a screen flow. If you click on continue here, let's see. If I click on continue, you can go back. Actually, if you click on this back button, you will go to the previous screen right. This is a screen flow. See, screen flows are. How can you identify screen? Flow is like screen. Screen flows contain some kind of information on the top, like, see, you have this information right, like. These are the pending screens. Are there? Let me show you a real-time example for screen flow. If you see Crtiec's website, if you see this Crtiec's website. Okay, this is a screen flow. Yeah, if you saw this Crtiec's website. Okay, this website is actually a screen flow. Let me. What is this new pop-up is coming? One second, guys. I think you should just take my phone or the cell. Continue. Previously these things but now it is coming. Okay. But screen flow, you understand it. You will be having some kind of flows here, like where you can move forward and backward. You understand. What I'm trying to say is like screen flows. If you actually see the screen flows, how it will look like is like it will be forward and backward conditions like this. Okay, forward and backward you can go, continue, you can come back. Like most of the phone applications do even have this forward and backward, correct. So those are all screen flows. Okay, the flow which they are configuring. It's a screen flow, okay, but the process flow is like you will be having only continue and cancel. You will not have back. Suppose, if I opened any existing case. Okay, if I open any existing case, you will be easily able to identify it. Okay, this is the basic difference. Okay, there are some 5 to 6 differences between screen flows and process. See here also. It still continue. Let me create one case. Okay, if you see here, now it came to a normal flow. Okay, we are under service. Right, we are under service. This is serviced. The first stage, create, is there. Create is a screen flow. After that, some validation has been done. After that it moved to service, and service is a normal flow. Okay, service is a normal flow. You see, there is only cancel and submit, there is no back. If you click on submit, it will go forward only. Okay, you cannot go to the previous screens. Okay, there is a main difference between screen from process. You understood, right? Any questions, guys? So you can only move forward, so you cannot go back now. Okay, any questions? Okay, now, first of all, let's discuss regarding process flows. Okay, process flow, process flow. See, any flow looks like this. Only you need to make this as a screen flow in some. I will show you how to make it a screen flow. But first let's discuss regarding process flow. What are the shapes available for process flow? On. Okay, first the start shape will be like this. Okay, green color round one is start shape. The red color one is a end shape. Okay, end shape, the main important shape is an assignment shape. If you see, this is an assignment shape. If you have right-clicked anywhere, if you are right-clicking anywhere, you will get this add icon. If you hover on this menu, you will get this assignment shape. Let me add assignment shape. Let me add a signature. You have added assignment shape. Now let's see what are the options available on assignment shape. If you double-click on assignment shape, it will open that assignment shape. Okay, there are few options available. Service level agreements we'll discuss. Okay, we have already written right here. Right, service level agreements, SLA. The sellers will discuss what is an SLA. Okay, there are few options available. You can set some assignment details, like what is assignment status. Also what is the work status. Everything you can set. But what is the use of this assignment ship? Whatever the screen you are seeing on screen, here you are seeing some screen rate. Everything is a section rate. Everything is a section, correct? Is it correct? Whatever seeing you are here on screen is a section rate. This is a new way. Component. Now, these sections will be invoked from flow actions. Okay, sections will get called from flow actions. Flow. Actions will be called from these flows. Okay, I will show you, then you will be much. You will having much clarity on it. If you have added the connector here, if you added one connector here, if you double-click this connector, okay, if you open this connector, you will get the flow action here. You have flow action, right? Flow action. Let me add one flow action in the existing one. If I open this flow action, see the hierarchy here, how we are doing it. How we are doing it, like first thing is a life cycle. Life cycle is nothing but a flow, right? Life cycle is nothing but a flow inside flow. You have assignment shape. Okay, every assignment shape will be having a flow action. Every assignment shape will be having a flow action. You know, actions are given by the spider itself. Right, flow actions will be creating it. Okay, actions will be creating, okay, every flow. You won't give us any flow actions like it will. It will give you. If you configure in life cycle itself, it will give you. But those things are all will not do in general business. Okay, we'll directly make changes in a flow state, so we only need to create everything. Okay. Yeah, now we have a flow action date. We have a flow action. Flow action contains a section. See, I have opened a flow action rule. We'll discuss regarding this flow action rule. Flow action is asking for section means flow action contains a section.